Hi, I'm Krista McDowell with Vivo Pools and Vivo Spas in Los Angeles, California. I'm going to talk to you today about high density foam in hot tubs. If you have high density foam in your water, for a short-term solution, you can use just a few drops of a commercial foam down that's specifically designed for hot tubs. To know how often you should drain your spa, you would take the number of gallons, divide it by 3, divided by the number of users per day. So for example, this tub is about 450 gallons of water. You would divide that by 3, which is 150. If my husband and I used it every day, you would divide that by 2, so every 75 days we should drain our hot tub. I'm Krista McDowell with Vivo Pools and Spas in Los Angeles, California, and that's what to do about high density foam in hot tubs.